Alright, this one goes to like the same one. Me never ask about your boyfriend. Me never ask about your boyfriend, baby. Are you me a talk about? Are you? What we are deal with? Are you me a talk about?
Basically, why you tell me I have a boyfriend? Because I don't care.
Yeah. What's up, guys? I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good time.
And a long time.
We're here for a good time.
And a long time.
Today we have a special video by the title. Guess what, guys?
So this is how Jamaican men react when you tell them you have a boyfriend.
Yeah. And you know we not take a no for an answer.
We have a few reactions that we wrote down and we're gonna share them with you guys.
So comment down below when you reject a Jamaican man. Comment down below what do they say back to you when
What
you tell
have you heard?
Yeah, when them tell them you have a boyfriend.
I know I definitely heard some of these.
And comment down below which ones you guys like, which ones is funny. Comment down all below right now. Smash the like button. If you want to be a part of the family, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to be part of Jamaican culture, go ahead and subscribe right now.
Even though I'm wearing a Bahamas shirt.
Yeah, so big up to Bahamas, big up to everybody, big up to the Caribbean right now. We're gonna do this video right now. Smash the like button, let's get into it.
Okay, so it's only right that Chad reads these because he is a Jamaican man.
Really?
Have you ever used any of these?
Well, we're about to find out.
I'm gonna start it off. So I'm gonna tell you, I have a boyfriend.
You not to know. We can't keep it a secret.
Definitely heard that one before.
So basically, if you don't know, yeah, it's a little, side chick thing I go on and say, some little mingling thing and, you know.
Mingling?
Mingling, a new word. I just said that word, mingling.
I have a boyfriend.
Baby, bird can't fly over 1 wing.
I can't be serious, this is so weird.
So basically, if you don't know what is that, one wing, you can't fly with 1 wing, that means you must have 2 man. Basically a 2-man thing and you need to fly with 1 next wing. So the next one will be, so me can't be your friend. So me just can't be your friend.
They just think they're so slick.
Yeah, you know, cause you don't do the...
So you want to be my friend so I can give you my number and then you're going to still try and look me, right?
Yeah, so basically, and you know, you just take time screeching and you just take time.
Something like that. Yeah.
Yeah, back in the days, man, when back in the days,
sure.
Before you know.
Sure. Anyways.
Alright, this one is probably my favorite one. Comment down below if you like this one. I know your boyfriend me want, are you me want? I know your boyfriend, are you me want?
That's so funny because I've heard that many times.
This was actually, I feel like this was originated in Spanish Town because this was like,
oh my god!
You know when you touch Spanish Town Plaza, yeah man, you have a little thugs them and just sit down back and you know, you just go look. You see this? Get easy.
Chad was not doing that.
I used to lean on the wall and go like this and I have a dull ratchet in my hand.
You were not doing that in Spanish Town. Let's be real. Let's be real. He was in Pembroke Pines.
No, but I used to walk up and down in Spanish Town Plaza. But I never used to do that. But
you used to see people do it.
Yeah, I see people do it. And, you know, you just try to catch on to. You just see what them are doing and say, yo. And you know how Jamaican men wear them glasses. You know, them wear them darkers, big darkers.
Anyways, on to the next one.
Alright, this one goes to like the same one. Me never ask about your boyfriend. Me never ask about your boyfriend, baby. Are you me a talk about? Are you? What we are deal with? Are you me a talk about?
Basically, why you tell me I have a boyfriend? Because I don't care.
Yeah, basically that, you know. So, you know, sometimes you just have to give the Jamaican man a chance.
But you're telling me she already have a man.
It don't matter. He could be better. That's what.
So she must drop her man and go.
Well, if she turn around, listen to this. If she turn around and pay attention, that means something is wrong there.
Oh, but you telling her that she must give the Jamaican man a chance.
There's something wrong there. People comment down below. There must be something wrong there. If she turn around
people don't listen to the foolishness.
If she turn around and pay attention to him, there must be something wrong there. The man not doing a great job. So if she says she have a boyfriend, she lose, and if she pay attention, she lose. So yes.
What she must do?
She must pay attention.
Anyways, on to the next one.
Alright, so this though is when she said, I have a boyfriend and you just lick her back, so what that mean? What that mean? Me not talk about that. What we are talk about? I mean, and you me are talk about. This one goes back to the same one a while ago, but this one is actually like that one's like weird. Like
that's irrelevant.
This this question could actually go very stale. It can.
Or you know which one is worse? When them get vexed at you and say,
oh.
never did I look you.
Yes, when them Jamaican man, when them take rejection, them hit you back with some nastiness.
You're like, why you tell me that for?
Yeah, like, you see any man look you around yourself, move from your man.
So wrong.
Role play for this one.
Okay. I have a boyfriend.
So, me have a girlfriend too. So,
I cannot take it serious.
So basically, he just saying, you know, you can be the side chick.
You have a girlfriend, I have a boyfriend.
Yeah,
so
you can be the little matey. Because the mighty. Matey, you can be the matey.
So both of you can have a matey?
Yes. So you can play the matey part.
Oh my god. Anyways.
This one goes for the last one. So me can be a side man. So me no can be a side man.
Since
baby.
the boyfriend taken, he wants to be a side man.
Baby, you know, so you is an empress. But you know what? Me can be a side man.
Really?
This one is actually, I think this is really old school. This one is like really old school. When you hear these words, you're like, yeah, this is old school. When she hits you with, me have a man, and you just sit her back and say, so me no can be Joe Grind?
Joe Grind.
What happened? Mom? You know
Joe Grind is definitely original.
Yeah, that's original, like old school words. Joe Grind, like
Joe Grind, definitely.
Joe Grind.
Or Jim Screechy.
Yeah, Jim Screechy. Like you hear Marcia talk on the phone, 40-year-old Marcia. You know hear about Joe Grind? Joe Grind, I go over there.
That's definitely from your mother's.
Yeah, that's like from way back. Next one is you hit her with the two is a charm. So basically, two, you know.
You need two man, because two is a charm.
Yeah, so you need two man. Well, I don't know, you know, ladies, don't get mixed up. I'm just telling you, stick to your man. I was contradicting what I was saying before, but just stick to your man.
Oh, it changed so quick.
Cause me have a heart. I'm gonna do them thing there. So just stick to your man.
Anyways, on to the next.
Alright, so we're gonna role play for this one.
This is the last one, right? Okay, ready? I have a boyfriend.
You caught me off guard.
We're supposed to be role playing. This is the last one. So let's role play. Ready? I have a boyfriend.
But baby, I go still want you.
Oh god, I heard that one before.
Like Jamaican men cannot take no for an answer. They need some justice. So they need the answer back with a phone number or the name or something, where you live, where you are, where you're going after. They need to know that.
Where you live, where you are, where you're going after.
You'll catch it on.
Anyways, okay, so I know my Jamaican women or my Caribbean women have some interesting ones that they've heard.
Yes.
So comment down below what you have heard personally.
Yes. Comment down below. There's so much. There's literally.
And if you're a Jamaican man and you use some ones that we never said, comment down below. Let us know some more.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Smash the like button, smash the comment button, comment down below your favorite line or what. Comment down a line that you think it would be funny. For all the Caribbean people, comment down below. Comment down. If you're from America, all American guys take rejection. Comment down below right now. If, girls, what do you hear? Comment down below right now. Ask them to comment down below. Me, comment down below. We're gonna do
They're
notification.
gonna comment down below.
Now it's time for notification shout out time. So first notification shout out goes to
Sally Can.
Sally Can, big up your damn self. You're going right over Danielle's head top right here. Second notification shout out, I cut you off. Second notification shout out goes
Jalen Thompson.
Jalen Thompson, pick up your damn self. You're going right over here. Third notification shout out and final
is JG03.
Big up your damn self. You're going right over here. Thank you guys again for the support. Smash the like button if you want to be a part of notification. You gotta hit the bell. How you hit the bell? You hit the subscribe to be a part of our family. You don't know. Comment down below. Notification bang bang. Notification occur. Notification okay. Notification boom bang 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 ting ting ring.
Ring?
Ring? Where ring come from? Notification pregos, because we got a lovely prego right there. Yeah.
We got a stuffed
turkey right here. Go ahead and comment down below what you guys want to see next. Thank you guys again for the support, the love and support. Thank you guys.
We love you.
We love you, and we are
out.
that was actually really good.
Yeah, I know.
We're out.